Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James, and we're doing the intro in the car this morning. It is a whole 22 degrees outside, and we do not want to do our intro outside. So we will not be conducting our intro outside. Anyway, if you know, a couple days ago I dropped a video. It was only about 45 seconds long of the GTR running. I gave you a comparison of what it sounded like before with the old exhaust and the old 3.8 liter versus now new 4.1 liter with the new Boost Logic exhaust with the valves open and with the valves closed. Now we're going to go inside, take a closer look, get a little bit more video, and put this new engine cover I bought for the car on it. So let's go inside, see what's going on. Well, you guys, check it out. There she is on the new wheels, new tires. Look at that. Air filters are all hooked up. Good God, that thing looks so sweet. What do you guys think, huh? Now, I did bring a new one of these here with me today, so we're going to slap that on, see how that looks. Check out our new Boost Logic exhaust. Oh God, that looks so good. You got a fan right here, so bear with me. God dang, that looks so good. Check out these wheels, you guys. It's like we got like a deep dish going on here, huh? Look at that. Like what, almost 3 inches of deep dish on the back wheels? That's freaking sick. Dang, you guys. Sweet. All right, you guys, check it out. Quick unboxing video, all right? Before we put this on the car. So you saw the engine cover that's on the car right now, right? I don't think it looks right with all the black on the engine. So, and I picked up one of these. What do you think? I think the black and red will look a lot cooler. We are gonna really quickly swap over the Nissan emblem onto this one, and then we're gonna pop it on the car, show you guys what it looks like. Hell yeah, that'll look friggin' sick pulling that silver one off. All right. Little side-by-side comparison of the two.
It's not a plastic bit, but it'll do.
What he's doing is he's notching it out because we got the Motec now. So there's a sensor there. You gotta notch it out so it all fits properly. You gotta make room for that sensor right there, folks. That's what he's cutting for. Check it out. I don't know if you noticed or not, but they turn these. Remember they used to point straight up? It looked kind of weird. Yeah, that looks way better. Definitely looking good. Definitely looking good. What do you guys think, huh? Dang, that sounds good. Is that the valve closed? They're open? Oh, nice. That's the valves closed, you guys. We started with the valves open. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That sounds good. I like that a lot. Well, new intake cover. What do you think? You like the black and red? I think it ties in the engine real nice. Car sounds good, you guys. We're gonna let it warm up for a little bit. What does that say, folks? What does that say? That's right. And then we'll rev it up a little bit. Valves closed. Well, that's really subtle. I like that. Valves open. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. like 8,500 is the red line. So, oh, that's excellent. I love it. What do you guys think, huh? Ready to do some work, huh? I'm guessing you can hear the turbos up here a lot better. Oh yeah, you can hear them winding down. That is sick. Oh my God, that is so sweet. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video. What do you think? Engine looks good, sounds good. I'm really impressed with the way the car came out. Really happy. Now, all you gotta do is spend a bunch of time putting a bunch of tunes in it, and we'll pick the car up probably end of March. So if you guys enjoyed the video, you've been following this build, give me a like, smash that subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.